Well, good morning there, small craft anglers. Brian here. We are down at Paradise Point, South Carolina on the Wando River again. Had so much fun out here last Tuesday. Had to bring Colton back. You can see him out there. He's already ahead of me. I don't know. Let's check the time. I think it's about 6:30, 6:45. Yeah, 6:46. We are going to get out on the water here, and we are going to try to get back into some reds, because man, did we have a time on Tuesday. Colton's never got into any reds like that. He's caught some reds, but nothing of that size. So we're gonna try to get him on some reds. He was pretty ticked off that I didn't bring him. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I hope you guys will come along for the vlog, and I hope you'll like and subscribe if you're liking the vlog. We're trying to keep these videos coming out for you, a couple a week if we can. And that's gonna be it. The birds are singing, the bait fish are running, and Colton's trying to get ahead of me, so I got to get out there and get him, because he likes to make fun of me, and can't have that happen. So come along for the ride, guys, and let's get into them.
Good morning, small craft anglers. Out here today in Charleston. Don't know the exact river, of course, but think about on Tuesday, Dad came up here, checked this place out, caught a bunch of reds. I was kind of mad about that I wasn't here to get some of them. So here I am now, already out on the water while he's still doing his intro. Gonna see if we can fish some of these docks in these little holes in the weeds. See if we see any tails and see if we can get on any today.
All right, guys, 6:50, and we are out and about. I think I'm going to start my morning off with the Minnow Z. Last time I did not have any small baits tied up. Ended up tying on the PrawnstarZ, and that's where the magic happened. But these are the size bait fish I saw when I was down here. So the wind's not too bad right now. I should be able to cast this pretty good. It's on a 1/10 Texas jig eye from Zman. So yeah, that profile is pretty small. We've got Colton started on a Voodoo shrimp, I believe, and yeah, that's what we're doing here. We've got a falling tide. Low tide is at 9 o'clock, so we'll be fishing low tide until 9, and then the incoming tide from 9:30 to probably noon. Depends how it's supposed to be really hot out here today. So see how long we last. Looks like Colton's on. Flounder, he said, maybe a keeper. He's using the PrawnstarZ, I think he switched to.
I got another one, I think. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a keeper. That's a keeper flounder. Don't get out, girl. Oh yeah, that's a keeper for sure. Let's go, guys. Let's go, small craft anglers. That's our second one of the day. First one landed, and that's looks like dinner for me. Looks like we're gonna be eating good later. Just dragging it against the bottom, and she picked it right up. Thought it was a baby at first. I was like, geez. Then she picked it up. She finished off strong there at the end. Oh, I don't know, Dad. She's really thick, like the other one. Yeah, she's way too thick. Okay, back here with the flounder. I'm gonna show you how to properly measure her and release her to make sure she doesn't, okay girl, just to make sure she doesn't get hurt in any of this process. Hands are a little slippery now, so I don't know how this hook's gonna go, but she There you go, girl. Nice. Okay. Grabbing her soft spot on top of her head right here. In between that and her gill. 2 fingers.
Oh, she is big. You might measure. Watch your net.
Gonna put her.
Oops.
Dad, please.
Alright.
Put her down right there. Oh, shoot. Oh, she is 16. As you guys can see, head right there. Perfect at the top. 16 and a half, baby. Almost got 17 with that big old tail of hers. She'll go in the cooler, guys.
Alright. Let me get this zipping for him.
Told Dad.
Hold on, you're all stacked up here.
Sorry. Told him, he said, oh, you're gonna catch all these reds, you're gonna do so good. Come here. 17-inch flounder.
Hold on, Joe. Okay, good.
She's curling up like your last one. She won't go in. Just gonna have to zip it up.
Alright.
Go, folks.
That's first 10 minutes. Not even 7. Oh, it is 7:13, and he's on the board with a keeper flounder. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Alright, guys. I think I'm going to put the minnow Z up. It's 7:18. It's getting kind of windy, and Colton's already producing on the PrawnstarZ. That's what I've seen some shrimp jump out here, actually. And that's what they seem to be keyed in on last time I was here. Anyway, I could not get them to bite a paddle tail. So I am gonna go to the PrawnstarZ. This is the exact one I was using 2 days ago. Get some ProCure on there and see if we can't make a bite happen. Let's do it. Also, I can cast this a little farther. It's getting a little bit of wind, and it's just harder to cast that small bait. We may give it a try here a little later again. Alright guys, it's 7:41, and I just wanted to mention today that from 6:52 to 8:52 we're fishing a major salooner. So I have an app that's keeping track of that, and doesn't matter that much to me. I'm already out here, but I just make note of it. So this is when the fish should be biting. We just have the one flounder in the boat so far. Like I said, low tide should be 9:30, and yeah, we're just out here learning it, guys. We're just out here learning it. So enjoying ourselves. Hopefully that major salooner pays off, and we're just gonna keep fishing. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Oh, I think that was a red. Dang it, either that or a really big trout. That was either a red or a really big trout. I'm thinking it was a red. Man, it's sitting right here in this water. We're in 7 foot of water. I thought maybe I might pick up a trout right here, but look at that. That was a red, I think. Oh, I don't think I set that hook very well. There's a bite. That was a bite. Yeah. Maybe not. All right, there he is. There he is. Oh, there he is. Got him that time. Got him that time. Got him that time, guys. Hold on. What do we got? It should be a red. All right, guys. Got us a little red that time. A little red. Hopefully there's some more in here. Alrighty then. Right on that PrawnstarZ. Oh yeah. Hold on, guy. Alright, guys. Let's go ahead and get her on the board. She is gonna go 16. Just a little over 16. Beautiful. She went ahead and she nailed that PrawnstarZ. Look at that, guys.
She a keeper?
Yep, she's a keeper. We can take her home.
Put her in?
She's 16 now. I got her. She's 16, so she's beautiful, guys. I just had another bite, so I think there might be some puppy drums over there. I'm gonna show Colton what to do and where to go, and hopefully we can get him on one, because that was a fun fight. We're gonna get this one put away. All right. Let's go ahead and get that PrawnstarZ out of there. A good hook set right in the corner of the mouth. Yeah, just let it get on the bottom. All right, got that out of the way. Got that out of the way. All right, one more measure. That is 16. 16 on the money. And let's get her in the box. Let's get her in the box, guys. All right, she's in. She's in. We'll be having a fish fry tonight. We got one puppy bread, and we've got one flounder. So that'll be delicious. All right, guys, let's go see if we can get back on one and help Colton get on one. That's what we came out here for. Let's see if we can't get him on one. Got one. Got one. Fish on. Another puppy drum, I think. Yep, another one. Oh. Trout. Trout. Yep. Yeah, I know. Man, that's a nice trout, guys. Look at that. Surprise. That is a nice trout. That. Easy. Okay. All right, guys, let's get her on the board. Get that hook out of her mouth first, probably. All right, easy. All right, get her on the board real quick. Yeah, guys, she'll go 15. 15. So, yeah, we're gonna put her in the bag too to eat. How about that, guys? How about that? Oh, I got a trout and I got a red. Not a bad day. Not a bad day today. be eating tonight. Got one puppy drum and one 15-inch trout. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Colton's not too happy back there. He don't like getting beat, but I can't catch this fish for him. All right, guys, let's get back to it. Fish on. Another trout. Another trout, guys. Picking them off one at a time. Oh yeah, love. Oh man, he swallowed that one. Oh boy. All right, caught that one on the PrawnstarZ. Got that out relatively quick. Let's get this one on the board. See where we're at. Oh, there she goes. Oh, that one got away before I could measure her. That one got away before I could measure her, guys. Oh well. Second trout. Not too bad. Not too bad. Having a day. Oh, that's 2 trout and a red for me. Oh man. We are having a day today, folks. All right, guys. It is 9:20. We've got 2 trout and 1 red. The last one popped off where I could measure him on the board, and he got himself back in the water quick, which is fine by me. I might have taken another trout home for dinner. Nice, you're on one. Colton's on one. Colton's on one. It's a red. Keep him tight. Keep him tight.
Oh shoot! What in the world? I know. What in the world? Oh shoot! Nope. He's just dragging so hard. Ugh. Tight. I can't even reel anymore. It's like. No. Oh no, we're still on. Going under. I just got a rope burn. It just cut mine like in my flesh. How is he? Oh, he's. Oh, it hurts so bad. I'm like, go, Dad. Please don't come out. No, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Can we get on like the beach or something, please? Cause I'm not like.
Put your net up. Put your net up. Sit down.
Oh.
This thing is huge. He just caught. He was arguing with me that he's not gonna catch anything on this voodoo shrimp.
No.
Look at the voodoo shrimp right in the corner of his mouth right there.
It's literally like.
Holy cow!
Oh.
That's big. You're gonna go 24 on that at least.
Oh.
All right.
No. Look how thick she is.
I know.
She's bigger than the board.
Holy cow, dude, she's way up here. How big is my board?
She's over 24. That's like 20,
Board go to?
24 and a half. And then her tail is...
Mine goes to 28. Put her on this one. I'll take yours.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Let me angle the camera.
Oh my
Guys,
gosh.
she's bigger than... That might be a 30.
No, it's right there. Look at the end. You got it.
Yeah, look. No, she's like 29 almost.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Oh my gosh.
29. In the water with it, she'll swim off. Got your camera on?
Yep. I'm just breathing her lungs back. She's been out the water.
Just get some water in it, Jill.
Yep, I'm just
She'll
gonna
swim off when she's ready.
keep going.
Hold on to her tail.
I don't know, she's not like, her fins are flapping, but, oh, there she goes. There you go, girl.
Oh, cow, dude. What was it, 29?
That was 29.
Oh my gosh, dude. Congratulations, that's freaking awesome. High five. Dude, I've only, my PB is 24. You just crushed that. Fish on, fish on. Oh yeah, he's on. Trout. Oh no. A little. Look at this red. Holy cow! Look how small he is. That's a baby red. That's pretty cool, guys. Look at that guy, guys. Look how small that guy is. So that is number 4 for me. That counts. That is the smallest red I've ever caught. That thing is beautiful. Pretty cool. Look at him. He's not scared of that PrawnstarZ. He crushed that thing. Absolutely crushed it. Let's go ahead and get that out of his mouth. There we go. Get him back in the water. Him. Oh, that's pretty cool. I wasn't sure. I thought it was another trout because it was so small, but nope. On the board with 4. That's what I call winning the war today, guys. Let's keep going. Fish on. Oh yeah, it's a red. Oh, flounder. Yeah. I got the slam, guys. I got the slam. Yes, sir. I just got the slam with that little flounder. Look at that. Yes. Crushed the old PrawnstarZ. Yes. All right, guys, that's the slam for me. That's the last piece of the puzzle. Caught a red, 2 trouts, and a flounder. Actually, I think I caught a red, 3 trouts, and a flounder. If I'm not mistaken, I got to go back and. I've got 2 reds and 2. Oh yeah, I've got 2 reds, 2 trouts, and a flounder. That's what I got. Colton's got to keep me straight before I start telling lies. But yeah, that's awesome. My first ever slam, my first ever inshore slam. Colton catches a trout before we leave. He's got to slam himself, so he's been hunting for a trout, but he hasn't got one yet. So we'll see if we can't get on one. It is 11 o'clock. Me and him are both hot. We're headed back towards the ramp because we're definitely getting out by noon because we are sweating our butts off. Let's get back into it. All right, guys, it is heating up here quick. It's 11:16. I think the heat index is supposed to be like 105 today. So we're gonna go ahead and get off the water. We are hot. yeah, today was awesome. I caught 2 reds, 2 trout, a flounder for my first ever inshore slam. So that was, yeah baby, awesome. Colton caught a keeper flounder. I think it was 17. We'll look at the footage. And he caught a 29-inch redfish. That is the small craft angler record for our channel. I think my PB is a 24. So he absolutely blew that out of the water. For his first time down here at Charleston, he is living the dream. Yeah, that's a dream. Like I said, anytime I bring this kid, he catches the biggest fish, the most fish, something. He always got to win something. He was having quite an attitude because I was catching early this morning more fish. I actually won today, but I did not win the biggest fish. That is absolutely crazy. I'm super excited for him to catch that 28. Congratulations, Colton. We'll put a picture of that fish up again at the end of the video here because that thing is just unbelievable. Definitely he gets the thumbnail today. So anyway guys, I hope you will like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.